In today's video, I'm gonna take you on a tour through this home right here. This is a Drees Somerville floor plan, and it is located in the Littlebury subdivision in Thompson Station. This particular home is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and 4,300 square feet. I just know you guys are gonna absolutely love it, so come on, let's go take a tour. All right, I am excited to show you guys this home. All right, so first of all, before I go in, just notice the double door right here. Nice light over the front entry. Really nice front porch here. Nice wood columns with the rock, stone. All right, here we go. Let's check this out. You step in to the foyer. The first thing you will notice when you step in is it is very wide and very, very tall. Check this out. Really nice wood trim. I love how you can see through all the way to the other end of the house. It feels really open. So that's the living room that way, stairs going up, and of course you've got your kitchen and dining room. I'm gonna take you guys over here to the left. This is actually the first guest room, and this is the perfect spot to put your in-laws or your parents. Nice size room. It's got its own closet. Like I was telling you guys, each bedroom has its own bathroom. So there you go. 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. Let me just give you a shot of what this entrance looks like from right here. Really nice, right? See how tall it is? So much natural light. This right here, I believe, is just a big closet. Yep, big giant closet. I love these stairs too. They take 2 right turns, which gives it just a really nice look. I love all the railings and the treads. It just looks really nice. Okay, so let's look here. So right here, you've got your living room. See if I can give you a better view right here. Tons of natural light. You've got a beautiful fireplace. And of course, Drees plans are just the best. You've got your kitchen right here behind it. So if the family's hanging out, watching TV, or you've got friends here, you can also be over here cooking and interact with the family. I think that's pretty awesome. Look at this kitchen. Are you guys just blown away? I mean, tons of cabinet space, giant island, double oven, microwave, gas stove, dishwasher, farmhouse sink, view right into the living room. How awesome is that? And then you've got your dining area right here to the right. Oops, I moved this chair and of course didn't put it back. Let's retake that. There you go. And then you've got your dining area right there. So as far as the kitchen, your refrigerator would go right here. You've got a little butler's pantry. And then that's a pantry right there. Like I said, there's a double oven, KitchenAid appliances, giant island, which has cabinet space all around. It might even have cabinet space on the other side. Yep, it does. That's sweet. Nice pendant lights. And then right here is just the mudroom, and there's some more cabinet space they put right there. Little mudroom spot. And that takes you out to the garage. 3-car garage, of course. So back behind the kitchen, over this way, if you go straight down the hall, you've got a half bathroom right here. And then backing up to the right, you've got your laundry room. And then over here is your office. Really nice office, and they've got the coffered ceilings, the French doors. It's got a good feel to it. I like that it's in the back of the house. This is different. That's one thing. If you start looking at Drees floor plans, you will see that they are really, really functional. They just make sense. So over this way, we've got the master bedroom. So you come in this hallway and straight ahead is the bedroom. Look how big that is. It's huge. I don't know what the size of this room is, but it must be like 20 by 16 or something like that. That is giant. Got the double tray ceiling, really nice light fixture. That light fixture, having a light fixture in the master bedroom really makes a difference. It makes it feel so much more upscale. All right, so coming back in the hallway, you've got your master bathroom right here. So there's one vanity. Look at all the cabinet space and drawers. Then you've got a standalone tub right here. Look at that, there's like a little nook. You could put a TV. A nice shower. Look at that tiled shower. I like the floor with the gray little hexagons. Then right here, you've got another vanity. Very nice. Wait till you see this closet. It is giant. I don't think it really does justice. So there's, oh my gosh. So you've got racks in the corner. Then you've got racks all the way down along that wall. You've got a rack right there. Then you've got racks right there. Right there. There's probably some, oh my gosh. And then shelves behind the door. This master closet is huge. Give you guys a look quick. Yeah, really nice master bedroom and master bathroom. I think you guys would enjoy it. So that is the downstairs. So let's just have a quick recap. The downstairs has your guest room up front that I showed you guys with its own bathroom. Back in the corner back here, it's got a laundry room, half bathroom, and an office. You've got your living room, dining room, kitchen, butler's pantry, mudroom, and then over here you've got your master bedroom. So let's go upstairs. Let's go check out what's upstairs. We've got wood tread. Yeah, I like how these have that little like pie shape. I think that's cool instead of a normal landing. Nice and quiet stairs. So when you come up the stairs, if you hook a left, there is a guest room right there, and then this is what overlooks the foyer. Really neat. That gives you a good view of the foyer too. So right here is a guest bedroom. This right here is just a linen closet. It's got its own bathroom, walk-in closet. Yeah, at this point, this is a good size. This is bigger than a lot of people's master bedrooms. Very simple. I like it. All right. So there's the stairs that we just came up. That takes you to the bonus room. And then over here, you've got two more bedrooms. So to the right, you've got a bedroom. And over there to the left, you've got a bedroom. I'll just show you guys this one. Ooh, this one's got the nice view. Check this out. Let me get you up above. Kind of overlooking the farm. Very nice. Like I said, there's a little walk-in closet. I'm not gonna show you guys the other one. It looks exactly the same. So that gives us the 5 bedrooms that we were talking about. This right here is the bonus room. And as you come in, you'll notice the nice barn doors over there. That's actually the media room. It's got a wet bar. I didn't do one of these at my house, and I kind of regret not doing it. It is pretty neat to have a refrigerator with some drinks and the microwave. I don't know about the microwave. What, I guess for popcorn? So now you've got these barn doors right here. And then that takes you into the media room. I love media rooms. Just basically a big room, and you put your big projector screen over there or your TV and some comfortable couches, and you just chill and watch a movie in that room. That's all you do in that room. That right there is actually walk-in storage, and quite a bit of it actually. It's like another room. I love walk-in attic space. I think it's great to have. And last but certainly not least, let's check out this covered porch. They've got the stained wood there. They've got the columns stained to match. Really nice steel railing. It's got a ceiling fan. Let me just come back this way again and give you guys one more view right here. Really nice. And then you look out over the back patio, that extra patio space that they made, and into the backyard. Really nice. I like it, guys. And if you ever need to get out on the roof, you can just hop out right here and run on the roof. It's kind of scary, isn't it? I actually love that they did that retaining wall because the backyard is nice and flat. Makes for a really nice, usable yard. Look how beautiful that is. See if I can get the Tennessee hills. There you have it. Not bad. All right, let me flip this around. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me just give you a quick recap. This is the Somerville floor plan built by Drees Homes, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and 4,300 square feet. This home was listed for $1,235,000, but it's under contract now, so it's not available. But have no fear, Drees will be releasing more lots in December and January, and they have a ton of amazing floor plans to choose from. In fact, if you visit the Littlebury neighborhood, check out the model home. It is just stunning. But make sure you tell them that I'm your realtor. That's really important. I appreciate you guys watching. And in all seriousness, if you do want to talk about buying a home here in Tennessee and have me represent you, I would love to do that. Click the link in the description below and you can schedule a quick 15-minute phone call with me. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.